Hello guys, good noon. Anyway, it's cooking time. My minuto is ang gonna cook pork chop, a crispy pork chop here. I boil already the meat a while ago. I boiling it with onion and pepper, salt. Before I fry that, I dip it in the egg and dip it in the flour for breading. The flour is for breading. To make the breading crispy, I need to mix the all-purpose flour with the corn flour. This is my menu today. This is only protein. There is no vegetable. That's why only protein. They always want meat. Very seldom we cook vegetable. Me, I prefer to eat vegetable because vegetable is more healthy than the meat. Usually this meat is high in cholesterol, high in uric acid. But what they request to me to cook, I just obey, I just follow what they want. But if I'm gonna be the one to choose, I prefer to eat vegetable. Is more healthy. I season this again with salt and black pepper. The black pepper, brown black pepper, the brown black pepper with the see, I boiling this with whole black pepper while ago, but I need to remove the black pepper anyway. I put another salt and ground black pepper. I dip it in the egg and dip it in the flour. I'm getting weight. I became heavy. My weight is already 67. I don't know why but my sister in the Philippines, the two sisters in the Philippines, they're not became fat. They just stay slim. Me and my other sister in Saudi became chubby. Me, I became chubby. I don't know why. Maybe because of the food, the kind of food we eat every day. It's always oily food. Anyway guys, this is my look. This is my all-purpose flour mixed with corn flour, meat with egg. That one is the meat that I fried. This is the meat that I boiled a while ago. I just fry this. They like the crispy breading in the meat when I fried it. See? Anyway guys, if you like my video, don't forget to click like, heart, leave a comment sa video. And of course, don't forget to share, subscribe. Thank you very much.